everybody, today I would like to introduce the new generations of the microscopes. We know traditional microscopes, this design is for human eyes. Just two cylindrical lenses use these human eyes to see the tiny objects. But now we developed the new generations of digital microscopes designed for any mobile devices. Mobile device is very powerful functions of the camera right now. Through this 10 million pixels to this 100 pixels cameras. So cameras function is very powerful on the mobile devices. Now this is the new generations of the microscopes designed for the mobile. This is very easy ways because of the mobile device have the built on the camera functions. Just turn on the camera and put on these tape stages of the microscopes and put on these slides on the stages. You can see these tiny objects on the mobile device screens, and it can just only put on the buttons of take pictures automatically. This is very and the easiest ways to take the digital pictures to these mobile devices. It can be shared on the image to the internet and share to your friends, to your teachers, or any your customers to see the tiny objects. And not only designed for this one device, but also any other can use this use the different mobile devices, but also use these large screens. This is around the 10 inches of the PDA. It's the same ways to put on the tables to see this is the tiny objects instantly. Just put it on the screens. You can see these large screens of these tiny objects on the screens, and also take the one button to record the list images. It's very easy and very useful to list the images on the screen. You see that this is a very powerful functions. Without any clip, without any teachings, you can use this one to take all the digital pictures in the very short times. This is very powerful and the new generation of the digital mobile microscopes. If you have any interest, please contact with me. List of the informations. Okay, thank you.